Lesson 47, reports in APA style, which is American Psychological Association. So go ahead and open this drill and expand it so that it's the full size of the screen. There are 18 tasks. The first one, in the document that's opened, apply the no spacing. So again, click in so the document is active, and under styles, choose no spacing so you don't get that extra spacing between each line. Change the line spacing to double. So in the paragraph group, under line and paragraph spacing, it's set for single, change it to double. Change the font of the document to Times New Roman, and it's down at the bottom, so just go ahead and select that. And we'll change the size to 12. You can use your drop down arrow, or the larger A will increase it from 11 to 12. So double click so that you are active in the header. And again, what happens is, even though we change the actual place for the document to be typed to Times New Roman, in the header it stays at the default setting, so you still have to change it there as well. Times New Roman 12. And again, we're in the header, and we're going to change the size to 12. Oh, you may have to, I didn't click in the document, and now go ahead. So in the header, you're actually going to type at the left margin. And then go ahead and check your work and continue. And then again, click in the document so you're after where you just typed, and you're going to press tab twice. Once takes you to the center point, and the second time takes you to the right align, and you're going to choose in the header and footer tools, click design, and then you will select header page number, current position, and plain number. And then close out of header. There's the number. So again, click in so that you're in the document, and you notice that the title there, title of paper and 1, is grayed out because that's considered in the header portion. And this, as it's, I have my caps on, it's current, it's active, it's bold. So that's inactive, and this is active. And continue. And we're going to save the document with the file name 7298. So I'll go to File, Save As, and here, just type right over that, 7298. And now we're going to open 7301, File, Open, Browse, and there it is, and open. They want us back in the header, so that means double click in the header area to make it active. So, and you get the dividing line, and it indicates that you are in the header. And instead of title of paper, you're actually going to type that. And then after you type it, go ahead and close out of your header and footer. And then again, in the same thing, you're going to select the title and type it as you see it. Initial cap, check your work, continue. In the document again, click in so that you're active, and your cursor should be at the left hand, your insertion point, and you're going to type everything that you see here. Again, remember not to use the enter. Let Word do the word wraparound, so it will not fall at the ending as it does here. The only time you will actually press enter on the keyboard is after the word citations, when you see the paragraph mark. Otherwise, your paragraph endings will not look like they do here. You'll be able to fit much more on a line. So go ahead and do that and scroll down. There's quite a bit. And then I'm just going to skip to the next one. There's a quotation section where it says today writers can locate. Select all of that until you get to page 12. And it should be indented from the left margin a half inch. So you can click increase indent in the paragraph group and it won't let you do it. Okay, I thought I'd try that. So select it again. What we'll do is we'll go to layout and choose indent left and we'll increase it a half inch. Let's see if it takes it here. There we go. So again, click so that you're in the document. Control End gets you to the very last word, and then Control Enter will give you a whole new page. On this one, in the third page, again, click so that you're active on the third page, and you're going to type exactly what you see here. Again, remember to use the Enter only when you see the paragraph symbol, otherwise let it word wrap on its own for you. You'd hit it again after books, and then that's it. And then you'd continue. And after you've typed all of the bibliography information, you'll notice that the first one, it has one word that went onto another line, and then the second one has some information that went onto another line. You want the second line to be a hanging indent. So select those 4 lines, go into the paragraph dialog box launcher, and again go to hanging indent, and it should be just the half inch, so I'll leave it there and click OK. And it brought it in each a half inch. Okay, thank you.